Hello and welcome to my channel. This week we are embracing some simple living as I take you along for a thrifting challenge to find some home decor that we can either fix up and DIY into a project, or hopefully find some that are good to use as is. Stick around to the end and I'll show you exactly what I found in my thrift haul. And if this is your first time here, a very warm welcome to you. Here you will find a new video every Friday and Sunday in the lead up to Christmas about easy recipes, cozy homemaking and simple living. My first stop is at Vinnie's, and I could not believe my luck in walking in and finding this beautiful setup and this gorgeous book. I always have Christmas books on my shopping list when I go thrifting. I shared in my last video my Christmas budget bucket list that I'm planning on gift wrapping with last year's paper. All of the Christmas books that I have, just so that we have something new to read every night, and then there's no fighting as to who gets to choose what book. We just get to pick one and unwrap it, and it's a surprise for everybody. So I do love shopping for Christmas books when I am at the thrift store. I will link my Christmas on a budget playlist below, which will have lots of ideas and inspo for you if you are budget conscious this Christmas. I thought this little advent calendar was so sweet, the little felt pieces, but I just felt that maybe baby was too young and I'd end up having to pick them up off the floor and we'd end up losing those, so I left that for somebody else to enjoy. I cannot tell you how stoked I was to find these bells. I've been seeing lots of DIY bell projects on Instagram lately, so I'm going to recreate something in my own country cottage style kitchen, so watch out for that video coming up next. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss how I plan on styling these thrifted items and how I plan on giving them a makeover to suit my style in my home. I found so many goodies at this store. I don't feel like I've had this much luck in like the first store that I've walked into in a long time. They had so many homewares and craft items here. There was so much to look at. If you haven't gone thrifting yet in your local area, perhaps now would be a great time to go because they're potentially putting out all of their fresh items and there'll be lots to choose from, as opposed to living it closer to Christmas and having it already picked through. I had ribbon on my shopping list for today, but I was looking for a particular brassy colour or velvet, so that was going to be a tough order to fill, so that's okay. I didn't find that today. I noticed that there was a lot of items here that still had the tags on them, whether perhaps people got them as Secret Santa gifts and then just donated them and didn't end up using them. I did want to find some servingware and some platters, but I was hoping for some neutrals and not melamine. I have a really cute idea for this in adding some festive cheer to my bedroom, so definitely look out for that video coming your way very soon. I did check out their linen sort of section, but I didn't find a lot of festive sort of colours or prints or anything. I was hoping for some sort of gingham or check, but I didn't find that today. I did find this cute lamp though. I think I'm going to give this one a makeover too. The kids and I love to bake and make treats at Christmas time, so I was on the hunt for some wooden utensils and some rolling pins. Look how cute this one is. So sweet. The inside part like rolls really easily too, so I thought that our baby would like to use that for his Play-Doh. I find Vinnie's sometimes hit and miss in the sense that some things are really well priced, but then other things, I'm thinking $6 for a little salt and pepper shaker little set. I don't know, I think they're like that much at Kmart new. Anyway, I thought this dish was very sweet. Maybe something for my guest room. My in-laws are coming to stay very soon, so I'll be giving that a little cozy makeover too. I regret not buying this little vase. I thought that would have been so cute with little poinsettias in it or little hydrangeas. I should have bought that. Anyway, live and learn. I was happy to find some more kids books here. The other one was beautiful and vintage looking. I could probably even use it for decor, but this was more of a practical book section. Do you guys ever visit like the street library, like a book swap? Your nearest shopping centre might even possibly have one too if things are a bit tight and you didn't have any spare money to spend on books. That is a way that you can bring along books you no longer read and then swap that for a new book. Hopefully there'll be some Christmas books there. I'm still thinking about this set for my guest area for when my in-laws come. I just wish it was cream or off-white, and then I thought I could paint it, but then I thought, would I really? I've got 2 weeks until they come and visit, so I probably wouldn't get it done in that amount of time, but I still think it was so sweet. Now this is the next stop. I went to the kidney op shop next, and I found this cute little nativity set. It had all of the pieces. I was happy to find that. Now by this stage it was about to pour down rain and baby had had enough, so I was happy with what I had found. So let me share with you my shopping haul of everything that I found at St. Vincent de Paul's and from the kidney op shop. The first one was the little mini nativity set. It still had the price tag on it for $29.95, but I was lucky enough to pick it up for $8. I did notice after opening it there's like a little, I guess like a little mark, like a little, I don't know, crease in the ceramic, so it's not, you know, perfect, but that's okay. Imperfect is fine. So I'm looking forward to putting this out somewhere that will be out of reach, in the sense that I did buy one last year from the Australian Christian bookstore Word, and that was more like a little plate set. The pieces are a bit bigger and not so fragile. They are breakable but not so fragile, whereas this little mini set is definitely fragile and would not bounce well. But I just thought the little pieces were so tiny and so cute. I'm looking forward to adding that to my home decor this season. I was trying to show you that the little shepherd had a little shepherd staff there, so I knew that he was a shepherd and not a wise man. So cute. I'm so glad that I found that. Now this gift bag I ended up taking to the secondhand store to donate things and declutter things, and then I ended up just bringing it home full with like other stuff, so it's like I made an exchange. I was stoked to find this rustic looking tree topper. I thought that would look really beautiful with the Christmas decorations I have planned this year. I'm not the type of person to get a whole new layout, a whole new look every single year. We normally just stick with traditional, but this year I am going to try doing a bit more of a natural cottage style sort of theme, so we'll see how we go with that. And you saw these bells earlier. I'm so excited to make these over into a really cool DIY project, so look out for that video coming out shortly. I got baby a cute little Christmas plate, a couple of them actually, just for him to feel like he's got something festive to use. I didn't get to check my current boxes of things, so that was naughty of me, but I was just saying, if you're watching this, kids, don't look. That's an instruction to my boys, because I didn't want them to know what books I got them this year. I wanted some to be a surprise. Yeah, I didn't get to get all of my box out of storage to check what plates I had, but I'm pretty sure the big boys have got some, so that's fine. You can hear Henry's joined me as I'm editing this video. I thought this was such a great buy, this grapevine wreath. I will definitely be reusing that and giving that a makeover for Christmas time, and I do that for almost every season. And I'm going to turn this queen bed ruffle wrap thing into some cozy layers for my bedroom. The problem I find with having Christmas in the heat of summer is that you might want to have that cozy feel, but a lot of the textures and the knits and things is just too hot. So this being a nice light cotton, I'm really looking forward to adding some layers to my bed linens without feeling like I'm adding too much warmth to the space. I ended up picking up this lamp, I think for maybe $3 or $4. I'm looking forward to giving that a little makeover too. And I'll have to test out that little candle to see if it actually works still. If not, I'll replace it. I did pick up that little trinket dish. I might even use that to put maybe some hand soap on for the basin downstairs in the guest room. We'll see. I loved this book. I think that would make some really cute Christmas decor with some maybe vintage prints or something like that. Watch this space. I'll see what I can do with that. And I got this little book for baby. It did have a little bit of a pen mark on the front, but to be honest, he'd be the type of baby that would bloody draw it on anyway. My other kids never drew on things like that, but I don't know, guys. Third baby just hits a bit different. He loves those interactive books, so he'll love that little read for $1. I did pick up these wooden cooking utensils or Play-Doh utensils, so I'm really happy with this one. So sweet. I picked up some cork mats just to run down the center of the table. Yes, it's only a set of 3 instead of, a set of 6 or something like that, but I don't need it for that. I just want to use them like a table runner, so when I put hot food down the center of the table, it won't scorch my table. So I was happy with that for $1 a piece. And I found some cute little vintage looking pillowcases for the kids, some Christmas pillowcases. And it wasn't until this very moment that I realized that, yeah, I've got 3 kids, not 2. Uh-oh, someone's going to be left out. It'll be the baby because he won't notice. Yes, 3, not 2. Whoops. Anyway, the baby won't notice that he doesn't have one as such, but I mean, we might even put these as pillows under the Christmas tree. So when we read our Christmas stories each night, there'll be something nice there, but it's not actually in their rooms. Would that make it less like someone's left out if they're all squished together reading a book? I don't think so. It should be fine. Okay, well that is everything that I have found in today's shopping haul. You'll have to comment below and let me know what is the best Christmas find that you have discovered at a thrift shop. Let me know if you've been thrifting recently. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for my thrifting challenge to find some home decor projects and items to work on. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video on how I make them over and how I style them for my home. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.